you?
I'm fine, thank you. Sit down, please. So, pupils, do you like watching cartoons? Do you like watching cartoons? Dima. Thank you. Now look at the board.
Good morning, Zoe. How are you?
I'm great. What did you do yesterday? We went to the park. What did you do in the park?
We flew kites. His kites flew high.
Wow, you're good.
All right. So, pupils, what are they? What are they? Rita, what are they? Who can answer? Dima. Don't stand up. Don't stand up.
Растительные слова.
Yes, you are right. And when do we use them? When do we use them? Maxim? When do we use them? What is your name? When do we use them? Dima.
Мы их используем, когда строим специальные вопросы.
Yes. And what is the girl doing? What is the girl doing? Don't stand up.
Она задает вопросы.
Yes. What tense is she using?
Past simple.
Yes, you are right. So, can you ask these questions in the past? Can you ask these questions in the past? No? You can't. So, what will we do today? What will we do today?
Сегодня
Don't stand up.
Сегодня мы будем учиться задавать специальные вопросы в past simple.
Yes, you are right. Past simple. So, yesterday I past simple. Yesterday I got a letter, so I'll open it. I want to have a look. So, pupils, what's this? What's this? Who knows? Is it a postcard? Is it a postcard?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And who can you see in the picture? Who can you see in the picture? Who can you see in the picture? And what are they? Do you remember them? Do you remember their family? So we can see the Globes family, the Globes family. And do you remember their names? For example, who's that? You have forgotten. And who's that? Her name is Vera. Who's that? All right, now pupils, open your books and find this family. Page 15. Page 15. The Globes family. The Globes family. Do you remember them? Do you remember them? So their names are Sam, Pam, Mandy, Martha, Bernard, Gordon, Vera, and Vincent. And who isn't in the picture? And who isn't in the picture? Who isn't in the picture? So, this family has got a cat. Do you remember their names? Dima?
Cactus.
Cactus isn't in the picture. And where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Are they in the city? Are they in the city?
Yes.
No, they aren't. Are they at the seaside? Are they at the seaside? Are they on the beach?
Yes.
Yes, they are. They are on the beach. All right. Now, look at this spidergram. You are walking in groups. You are walking in groups. What words do you remember when you talk about the sea? Please write words as many as you can. You have got 1 minute. When you talk about the sea, Thirty seconds left. Stop. Now let's check up your answers. Let's check up your answers. Your group, please. Your words. Don't stand up then.
Fish, sand, beach, sunglasses, sand, sunhead, volleyball, swim.
Can you add any words?
Water,
Water.
flippers,
Yes, flippers. What are they, flippers?
flippers, last,
Mhm.
sunhead,
Yes.
beach,
Can you add any words?
Water, fish, boat, shark, octopus.
Shark, octopus. Thank you very much. Now pupils, open your books. Page 110. 110. Exercise 1. Now, Dima, read and translate the task. 110. Read and translate the task. Number 1.
postcards.
No, the task. Listen to the words.
Listen to the words and think them in the picture in exercise 3. Listen and
Practice.
practice saying the words.
Yes, translate.
Прочитайте слова.
Listen.
Прослушайте слова
И найдите
и
их.
найдите на картинке номер 3. Слушайте и
Ну и произнесите слова. All right. Are you ready to start?
Exercise 1.
Postcards.
All together. Postcards. Find them. Find them. Where are they? Stop. So, they are postcards. They are postcards.
Sandcastle.
Sandcastle.
Donkey.
Donkey. All together.
Shade.
Shade. What is the Russian for shade? Do you know that? So where is Vera? Where is Vera? Yes. And where is is she? Where is she?
Может быть, солнечный зонтик?
Yes, Vera is under the umbrella, so she is in the shade. Dima?
Может быть, коврик?
No. She is under the umbrella. Under the umbrella. Now imagine, I am on the beach. The sun is shining. And it's hot. And I'm tired of this weather, such weather. Now I am in the shade. Where am I?
Тень.
Тень. Yes, you are right. Тень.
Beach.
Beach.
Fisherman.
Fisherman. What is the word for fisherman?
Рыбак.
Рыбаки. Рыбаки. So you can see two fishermen. You can see two fishermen.
Wetsuit.
Wetsuit. What's this? Wetsuit. Now look at Lёша. Look at Lёша. Lёша, stand up. Lёша is in a suit. Lёша is at school. Lёша is wearing a suit. And what? Yes, you are right. The lovely costume. Cynthia is wearing a wetsuit.
Cafe.
Cafe, I think it's clear. What does it mean?
Sea.
See. All right. Now exercise 2. So you can see two boxes. I'm sorry. You can see two boxes. And what can you see in the first box? What can you see in the first box? Diana. Answer in Russian. What can you see in the first box?
Первая форма неправильно было.
Yes. And what can you see in the second box? Dania. What can you see in the second box?
Слова прошедшего.
Yes, you are right. Now let's match. So the first form, the second, and in Russian. All from read it again.
Не читать.
Have
Have had.
and what does it mean?
Иметь.
Иметь. Аня.
Swim, swam. Плавать.
Swim, swim. Плавать. Максим.
Build, build. Строить.
Yes. Андрей.
Wrote.
So read. Read. The second form.
Read.
Read. What does it mean?
Читать.
Yes. Dima.
Hang out.
So write.
Write, wrote.
In Russian.
Читать. Ой, писать.
Писать. Даня.
Hang out.
Yes. Hang out. The second form. Hung out. Hung out. What does it mean, hang out?
Встречаться.
Проводить время, встречаться. Полина.
Speak, spoke.
Говорить, разговаривать. Даня.
Read, wrote.
You have made a mistake. Ride. Ride.
Road.
Road. In Russian.
Ездить.
Верхом. Слава.
Run.
Run. Ran. In Russian. Бегать, бежать. Даша.
Wear, walk. Носить одежду.
And Диана. Throw. And the second form. Yes, you are right. Now let's practice these verbs. Look at the board. Dasha, you'll be the first. Quickly. Find. So choose the verb in Russian. In Russian. In Russian. Now the first form and the second. Thank you, Polina.
To
second form. The second form, so write, and the second form, no. Try again. Try again. So, try again. Right? Yes. Danya, Joshua, you'll be the next. Yes. Yosha. Anya, you'll be the next. First of all, in Russian. In Russian. Так. Thank you. Thank you. And the last. Так. Пожалуйста. Ага. Thank you. Thank you. So, pupils, now let's practice these verbs in the text. So you can't write in the books. I'll give you sheets of paper. So first of all, write down your surname or name. Write down your name. So let's do exercise 4. Exercise 4 on the sheets of paper. So you can't write in the book. So you have got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Do the task. You may cross the verbs. 1 minute left. of paper with your partners. Change your sheet of papers with your partners. Now listen and check. So put a plus or a minus. Is it clear? Is it clear? Put a plus or a minus.
Unit 8, Lesson 44, Exercise 3.
Last summer, the Glows had a day out at the seaside. Martha swam in the sea, and Sam and Pam built a huge sandcastle. Vera read in the shade, and Mandy wrote a lot of postcards. Rudolph hung out in a cafe, and Helga spoke to 2 fishermen. Gordon rode a donkey, and Vincent ran along the beach. Cynthia wore a wetsuit, and Bernard threw balls for Bonehead.
Now look at the board. Now, complete this table from 2 to 10. From 2 to 10. Plus or minus. Or minus. And change back. And change back. Plus or minus. So plus. Now stand up. Hands up. Hands aside. Hands down. Point to the window. Point to the door. Point to the ceiling. Point to the floor. Hands up. Hands aside. Hands down. And sit down. Don't sleep. Now, look at the picture again. Look at the picture again. So you are working in pairs. You are working in pairs. What did the Glows do at the seaside? What did the Glows do at the seaside? For example, what did Vincent do? He ran along the beach. So your question, your answer. Your question, your answer. So you are working in pairs. Do the task. You may use this text. You may use this text. For example, what did Martha do? And so on.
What did Rudolph do?
In pairs. In pairs. Marina, ask him the question about Gordon, for example. So what did What did? For example, what did Mary do? Дима, answer. Yes, you're right. Now, your question to Losha. Now, Dasha, your question to Diana.
What did Bernard do?
What did Bernard do? Diana, answer. Bernard. Stop. Bernard. Bernard. True. Итак, давайте мы сейчас с вами сформулируем правила. Как же мы с вами задаем специальные вопросы в прошедшем времени? Итак, и отличается ли наша схема от того, как мы задавали вопросы в настоящем, present simple? Давайте посмотрим. Итак, какие вопросы мы проходим-то? Специальные, да, специальные. Итак, what are they? Что же это у нас такое? Так, Дима.
Это вопросительные слова.
Вопросительные слова. Так, что же, Слава, у нас вот это такое?
Did это вспомогательный
Вспомогательный глагол. Что у нас, Рита, вот это? What's this? Подлежащее. It's a subject. It's a subject. Так, что у нас, Максим, вот это? Глагол. Глагол. И в какой форме у нас этот глагол? Какой? А про букву смысла, что я говорю всегда? Значит, какая форма? Первая. Первая форма. Хорошо. Итак, мы с вами сформулировали правильно. So, this rule, you can see this rule in your books, page 111. Grammar spot. Grammar spot. So, Полина, look here. When did the gloves travel to the seaside? Вопросительное слово, вспомогательный глагол, вместо подлежащего номер 3, а на четвертом смысловой глагол. Да? What did Vera read? Вопросительное слово, вспомогательный глагол, все видят.
Вместо подлежащего номер 3.
И на четвертом. And what form do we use? The first form. The first form. Thank you. Now let's practice. Now let's practice the rule. So, далее. What's the problem? Put the words in the correct order. Well done. Sit down, please. Now, Rita.
Окей.
Touch. Okay. Put the words in the correct order. So today we are talking about little special questions. About special questions. Danya, help her. Mhm. Well done. Thank you. Thank you. Вопросительное слово. Помогательный глагол. Место подлежащего. И на четвертом смысловой глагол. В какой форме? Первый. Первый. Thank you. So pupils, do you like fairy tales? Do you like fairy tales? What is the Russian for fairy tale?
Это сказки.
Сказки. Сказки. So, do you know this character? Do you know this character? Yes, Carlson. Carlson who lives on the roof. Now, let's make a question. Daniel.
What did Carlson eat?
So you may use he.
What did he eat?
Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. Now, do you know this character? Yes, Winnie the Pooh. So, do you know this character? Yes, the round little bun. The round little bun. And yes, Cinderella. Cinderella. So now you are working in groups again. Now you are working in groups again. The first group, the second, the third. You should ask the questions. 2 questions. So use these words. It's for you. The round little bun is for you. And for your group is Cinderella. 2 questions. Do the task. Now you are looking at me. So you may use he or she. You may use he or she. Not the round little one. He. So he and she. Are you ready? Now, I think you have finished. The first group, your answers. Stop, wait a minute. Have you finished? There are 2 questions about this.
Кто имеется в виду в
No, кого? Куда? Now your answers, please.
What did he like? Where did he live?
What did he like? Where did he live? So you may take the table, you may put 2 classes. This question, the first question and the second question, yes. Now the second group. So your questions.
Who did he meet?
Who did he meet?
Where did he go?
Where did he go? Do you agree with them? Yes, we do. So you may put 2 classes. You may put 2 classes. The first question is correct and the second question is correct. And your questions.
Where did she go? What
What did she wear? Look at the body. So you may put two pluses. You may put two pluses for the first question and for the second. Two pluses, plus and plus. Thank you. Now, pupils, count your pluses. Count your pluses. Count your pluses. Count your pluses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count your pluses. Count your pluses. There are 5. Who has got a 5? Who has got a 5? Dima. Who has got a 5? Who has got a 4? Who has got a 4? Thank you. Who has got a 3? Who has got a 3? Now, pupils, hand in your sheets of papers. I want to have a look. How many classes have you got? How many classes have you got?
Ой, 9.
9? So your mark is 4. Your mark is 4. Dima, your mark is 4. Thank you. Thank you. Now open your record books. And write down your homework. So, your homework will be exercises 3, 5, and 6, page 62, 63. And if you want to practice more, you can do exercise number 7. А если вы хотите побольше потренироваться, то можете сделать номер 7. Open your workbooks. Have you got any questions? So look through these exercises. Have you got any questions? Is it clear? Is it clear? So I think it's clear. Now, close your workbooks. Now, pupils, say a few words about our lesson. So you may think a little bit. 1 second. You are brave. Ты смелая.
Ой, я научилась составлять специальные вопросы.
Даня.
Я теперь могу использовать специальные вопросы в речи.
Прошедшем времени. In the past. Слава, don't stand up.
Я уже научилась.
Яна? Now, your group.
Я приобрел новые знания.
Мне нужно будет изучить неправильные глаголы.
Хорошо.
Было трудно на втором задании.
Я узнал, что в английском языке есть неправильные глаголы.
Really?
На этом уроке можно интересно было учиться в первом задании.
Мне было интересно. Хорошо. Аня?
Мне получилось составлять вопросы.
Правильно, получилось. Очень хорошо, получилось. Now stand up. The lesson is over. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye, teacher.